Hi everyone, in this video let's understand the settings section. So this is where you customize how Tasks.Bot works for your business. Instead of adjusting your workflow to fit the system, you configure the system to match your workflow. We will go through each part. So the first is custom fields. Custom fields allow you to add additional information to every task based on your business needs. For example, let's say you are managing clients projects, so you can create a custom field name as client name. Another one could be budget, where you can select number type or campaign type using a drop down like WhatsApp, email or ads. So from here you have to click on add fields and simply you can write over here as client name. You can select the type of the custom field and you can also add the placeholder, and you can also select whether this should be required or not, and then simply click on create. So our custom field has been created. Then we have workload. So the workload setting, this is where you define how workload is calculated across your team. You can set threshold for categories like free, balanced, busy and overloaded. For example, 0 task means a member is free, 1 to 5 mean task being balanced, 6 to 9 task means busy and 10 or more means overloaded. Let's say your team member has 8 active tasks. Tasks.Bot will automatically classify them as busy. This helps you to instantly understand team capacity and avoid overloading people. Instead of guessing, workload distribution becomes data driven. After that, we have the approval section. So this allows you to create a structured approval workflow before tasks are marked as complete. For example, you can set a rule where all tasks must be approved by the task creator before completion. So if you enable this, you have to add an approval rule over here. So number 1, you can give your rule a name. Apply to, you can do it department wise to a particular member or all task. Who will approve? If a department manager or the task creator, means the admin. So let's keep it task creator, save the settings, and it is done. So this ensures quality control and prevents incomplete or incorrect work before being finalized. You can create multiple rules depending on your workflow. Now let's move to alert section. This section controls how and when notifications are sent. You can choose which event triggers alerts like task creation, updates, completion, overdue task or comments. And more importantly, you can decide the channel, whether it should go via WhatsApp, email or push notification. For example, you can set it so that whenever a task becomes overdue, a WhatsApp alert is sent instantly, or when a task is assigned, the user gets a push notification. You can enable disable from here by toggling it simply, and after that you will simply click on save setting. This ensures that important updates are never missed and communication stays automatic. Then we have the time tracking. So this feature helps you to track how much time is being spent on task. Once enabled, team members can start and stop timers directly on task. For example, if someone is working on a campaign task, they can start the timer when they begin and stop it once they are done. This gives you accurate data on how long tasks are actually taking. Even if you close the taskbar, this will be automatically working in the background. You can apply it to all tasks or department wise, then you have to save it. You can use this to analyze productivity, improve planning, and even optimize team performance over time. You can also choose whether time tracking applies to all tasks or specific departments, as I mentioned. So overall, the settings section gives you full control over the Tasks.Bot's operation, from structuring your data with custom fields to balancing workload, enforcing approvals, automating alerts, and tracking time. Everything is configurable. This ensures that the system adapts to your business, not the other way around. Thank you for watching.